Surely he will save you from the foulest snare and from the deadly pestilence. Psalm chapter 91 verses 3. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. We are making Ampesi under 20 minutes. It's fast and furious, one of the fast foods that I absolutely enjoy from Ghana. So I'll list each and every ingredient below in the description box. Kindly check it out. I'll go ahead and peel my yam. Yes, I'm using yam for this recipe. You can definitely use plantain, cocoa yam, or whatever that you prefer. Even potatoes, why not? So go ahead, peel it and cut them into the size that you prefer. This is a fast food. Everything about it should be fast and quick with no too much job. So I always use this hack to peel my yam. After peeling it, I just grab my bag and voila, I don't have to clean again. It is so amazing. So once I get everything cut into the preferred size, I'll go ahead and wash it very well. It is very key to wash your yams well. I usually wash it for about 3 times and then put it in my pot, and to that I'll then add my desired protein. Today I am going for some Koobi, which is some salted tilapia fish. I've shared the recipe here. Please check it out. It's so good. I'll also add some stock fish and eggs. That is the protein of choice for today. And I'm not going to season it with salt because I have Koobi right here, which is very much salted. So even though I put it in water, I still will not add any more salt. Let's normalize reducing the amount of salt intake. Okay, so let's begin by making our abom. I first of all started to grind some ginger and pepper. I will just make sure I grind it until nicely smooth, and then add a little touch of salt and some herring powder for that umami flavor. It shouldn't be always momoni. If you have these ingredients, the umaminess in your meal will still be intact. So I went ahead to add some yellow onions, grind it until very nice and finely textured. And now I am going in with my chopped tomatoes. It's chopped canned tomatoes. I didn't have any fresh tomatoes at home. All that I had was frozen, so I just went with the canned one and some peanut butter or groundnut paste. This combo is crazy. It's so delicious. Just go ahead and make sure everything is very nicely incorporated and grinded well together. It came out really good. The texture was such an amazing one. I just wanted a little bit more protein, so I went ahead to add a bit of canned tuna. If you have the smoked one, go ahead and add it here. As I told you, this was quick and I didn't have time to be smoking fish in here and there. It was just so quick and very tasty as well. I'll add a little bit of salt and voila, we are done with our abomu. You can go ahead and enjoy it as it is, but we wanted a glossiness, so we went ahead to fry some palm oil and also caramelize some onions. Very nice. And that is it. Our abomu came out really good without doing too much at all. Just fry your onions until they're very nice and soft and caramelized. Pour everything back here and you are good to go. This is really delicious. Better than any fast food out there. It is so good. And at 20 minutes and you are good to go. Just look at that. The yam came out really soft and my Koobi was so nice and tender as well. The aroma in here is just incredibly tasty. This is one of the Ghanaian soul foods that you can never go wrong with. It is absolutely incredible. If you are an Ashanti, is a plus because I know this really is coming from your home. It's just everything is so delicious. You have everything in one bowl. Very nutritious as well. So please be sure to try out this meal. Days that you do not want to do too much, just try this. It shouldn't be always anwamo. I promise you, you're going to love this. If you don't like yam, just go for plantain or even potatoes. You're going to absolutely love this. So delicious. Thank you so much, family, for watching right to the end. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe and you're going to give it a try. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.